Hey everybody, it's Slow,
And I'm OddMo.
and we're here to do another edition of our channel where we gonna be making some fireworks in a bottle. Not real fireworks, because I don't feel like having the fire department called, but we gonna do this. So what you need to make fireworks in a bottle is some warm water, 3/4 of the way full, in whatever cup you choose. And then you need some olive oil and some food coloring. And we take a little bit of the olive oil. It's not for drinking. I don't know what she's trying to do. And then you take a couple of drops of food coloring.
Oh yeah, baby.
Just pop it off. And she's back. Yeah, just four's good.
Right, pop it off.
Where's the other guy? Okay. And after you get those mixed in there, then you kind of use a fork to cut up the little drops in smaller bite-sized pieces.
Making my really careful. Oh god. You have stop.
There you go. Wow.
Yeah, beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna point it up to the camera.
Okay. Now when you're done mixing, you can pour it in the water. I suppose we'll wait for OddMo to figure her life out. And when she can pour it. Whoa! Did you see that? It was a snail. It just flew by your mixing habits. I think she's ready now.
There we go.
And when you're all done, you just pour it in slowly.
What?
Or you just throw it right in like she did.
Okay. Fine. I'm ready for it, okay? Whoa! It's already starting.
Hey, don't mix it up. Then the colors just kind of sink to the bottom.
Oh, yours sinks fast. Mine goes like really slow.
And this is fireworks in a bottle. No, that was. Where's the catch
I have no idea. That's why I would go bye bye for a second.
Yeah, so that is fireworks in a bottle. Just kind of sinking down.
So pretty. I think we did this.
So if you get bored, you just find some food coloring, olive oil, and water, and have a fireworks show inside. But yeah, so
Tell me how we're gonna do something. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
let us know what you think. Thanks.